Hello, welcome to our channel. Any computer laptop sales by using Facebook option. How it is possible? First of all, I'm selecting one of the shop name is called Sri Laptop World. So all of they can creating YouTube channel, everything. Same like that, they're increasing sales and everything. The one and only option is called Facebook Reel option. So the reel will be create this option will be here. Select this option. This reel will be create. The one and only option name is called canva.com. So go to Canva, make it real will be clearly designed. After that, what are the you can post will be content that all will be selected will be into notepad. Here I'm selecting for reel option, add photo, where you can design the video will be here. Select the video. So we can call with the option will be here. See this in this particular option will be here is the thing. So we can click it and what are the your done will be your particular publish will be compulsory important will be in this. But reel will be design the particular one size will be here. The size will be selecting for mobile devices. The selecting video size will be here is the option 1080 by 1920 pixel. So that is the selector will be here and making for video in this. So we can create by the video in the proper reel option. So this is a reel will be created will be here. And if you go to the comment option in this, check your options are here in this. Don't go with this many options. Simple, add your contact details. So either they will be contacting purpose, add your contact details. So those will be important. Reason is called in this content, there will be a lot of confusion will be here. So that is the reason I'm sharing with the call and this number. So they easily will be contact through your comment box option. This will be reaching for more audience by using this particular feature. So use this particular reels on your Facebook option and increase your audience. Weekly, twice and thrice we can upload the videos and engage your audience option. This will be helping for getting customers on your business by sharing details will be here is the option. So compulsory important contact number sharing everything will be mandatory field on your particular option. So if any further doubt how you can advertise your particular reel option or any misuse issues, you can contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.